Y'all know the name. They're taking us on a tour. It's not just a game. Princess Margaret, Cottage Lottery, the ultimate dream. A chance to win a home. It's more than it seems. I want to thank the fans, so loyal and true. This one's for you. I appreciate you.
Hey everyone, welcome to Awesome Clean Homes. I'm James, your host, and check this out. First virtual tour 2024 Cottage Lottery. Princess Margaret Cottage Lottery. And we're looking at the Prince Edward County Cottage. And it had a long driveway, didn't it? Very cool. Plus you get $50,000. This is worth $2.4 million, fully furnished. There's a nice powder room as soon as you come in. Boom. Nice. I like that. Front door with and that must be a closet right there. You come on in and it looks like you have a nice open concept. Kitchen, post and beam design. Wow, windows right at the kitchen, so you have a very good view of that driveway all the way up. That's kind of neat. Haven't seen that in a cottage from Princess Margaret, I don't think. And then a big barrier wall up there kind of promotes safety or privacy as well from the road, I'm assuming up there. That's tight, right? That kitchen starts almost at the driveway. But it's nice and modern. I like it. Here's a door. Looks like a screened room. We'll take a look at it in a sec. I just want to give a look around the living room, and I guess a little bit of a dining room at the same time. Fireplace, TV, vent on the wall. Yeah, vent on the wall. So that's a screen room we're coming into. Very nice. Now, that window faces the carport, so I don't know, unless you have a Ferrari, like Ferris Bueller's Day Off, maybe. That would be good. Otherwise, you don't really want to see your rusty Toyota, you know what I mean? But boom, if you had a nice red Ferrari, oh yeah, Ferris Bueller, guys, for sure. So 50,000 won't buy it, but there's Lake Ontario, I believe. This faces Lake Ontario. And just a side note, guys, this is beautiful here. But just as a side note, I was downtown Toronto the other day near the lake, Ontario, and I smelled like, what's that baby diaper smell? And I'm like realizing, wow, it's coming off the wind from Lake Ontario. It's just this rancid baby diaper smell. I couldn't, almost vomited when I was going into the Loblaws down there. I'm like, ugh, jeez. Anyway, sorry to put you off there, but yeah, I don't know. Hopefully, it doesn't have the same kind of effect. I don't know. Maybe you guys can tell me if you're near Lake Ontario, if it's always like that. Hope not. Beautiful bedroom here. Look at this. Your principal bedroom. I like that. Nice. I like how it's separate down here. You got a door to the ensuite. Oh yeah, I like this a lot, guys. Bathtub, window, lots of light, toilet so you can look and do your nature, looking at nature. You got the nice shower, rainfall, and a walk down closet. I like that walk down closet. Now, there's no white t-shirts hanging up as they usually do, so I guess downsizing, man. Everyone's hurting. Not downsizing, but here's the basement. Let's look around. Powder room in the basement. Oh, that's not a powder room. It's a real bathroom. Very nice. Very nice. I like this a lot. Good on the colors. Good going, Angela from Lakeshore Designs. Laundry room. That's a must. Beautiful. Lots of room. That's like the size of a bedroom in a condo downtown Toronto. So that's really nice laundry. You got another living space down here. Beautiful spot to watch the storms. There you are in the lake. Again, I hope it's okay. Smelling. Your neighbor's right there. It does come with a dock. I don't know if they show it, but fire pit, I always love those. That's amazing. Because it's all about the experience. It looks like there's a walk down and then there's a deck down there. They put it in their description that there's a deck, so fear not, there's a deck. and picnic tables or something, it looks like. Just be careful, it looks like a slope. So, yeah, thanks for joining me. I'm excited to do this again. There's 2 more cottages to go. Here's a bedroom here, second bedroom. Love how Angela decorates the beds, always layering, always making them look comfortable. And shout out to the cottage builder as well. Yeah, this is just beautiful. Look at that. Well, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for coming by.
It's the Princess Margaret Cottage lottery, oh so fine. You could win that cottage in the county of Prince Edward Divine.